I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all.
Hey y'all, Lisa with Finest Camping. Today we're going to take you on a camper tour for camperreport.com. We're here with Jeremiah Dumka, the GM for Alliance Paradigm and their new Valor toy hauler brand. So he's going to take us on a tour today and point out all the highlights of the
42V13 side patio floor plan. This is our latest and greatest, guys. This is actually the very first unit that we built on the side patio floor plan. Super excited to debut it at the Tampa RV show. So, if you got a couple minutes, I'd love to show you some of the stuff that we got going on. So, some of the what we call our disruptive measures and what we're doing differently than some of the other brands out there in the industry. We're putting a standard air compressor on board. When you're camping, you know, whether you're filling up your tires on the side of the road, inflatables, bikes, ATVs, a standard air compressor on board. Okay, this 42V13 floor plan, super excited about. A lot of cool features, whether it's being the E-Track tie-downs on the inside. It's where you got total adjustability back here. Weather-resistant ram doors. So if you notice out here, you've got condensation buildup overnight. Well, don't worry. Our weather-resistant ram door, that's covered by warranty. You do not have to worry about the ramp door. Rain or shine. Drop-down TV bracket. So more 12-volt functions. We've got two 320-watt solar panels on board every single coach. A 40-amp charge controller. A standard lithium-ion 100-amp-hour battery. Now, Lisa, some of the things that I like the most about this coach is, you know, most toy haulers find a spot to eat. This has a dedicated dinette, good viewing angle for the TV, 17 cubic foot, 12-volt refrigerator,
and a
oversized pantry. Look at that.
That's a big deal.
That is a big deal. JBL sound system with subwoofer. Not only one entrance to the side patio, but two. Outdoor TV, you got a nice full-size awning over the top of it. Garage access and living room access. Come check out this bedroom. I mean, Lisa, I know you're a big fan of east-west beds.
Absolutely. It's all about the east-west bed. Because you get so much more room here.
So
and
much more
closet.
room. Look at this closet. You got a full front wall closet. Nice flip-up countertop. Drawers.
Full-size drawers.
Magnetic catches. I want to note that. I mean, it's honestly, guys, it's a little bit harder to pull out, but think about it. When you're going down, going down the road and everything's shifting. Storage underneath the bed. Dual entrances into the bedroom, bathroom. Nice, oversized 48 by 30 shower. I can actually turn around in this thing.
That's nice too. That's a problem Jimmy has. Showers aren't big enough.
Right. Living closet.
That's nice too.
Nice accented mirror.
And I love
epoxy
the countertops.
Yeah, absolutely. Very nice, durable epoxy poured countertops. Independent water line shutoffs at every single on every single water line in the coach. This is one of the biggest features that I'm, as a camper myself, super excited about. All of our converters are at eye level. Okay. How much sense does that make? I mean, so you guys are campers yourself. You're not sitting down here on the floor trying to fuse out which fuse blew.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Everything's at eye level on the Alliance Valor.
And I love the new stove.
Oh,
a lot of people know that it's like a real stove. It's not a camper
real
stove anymore.
No more lighting it with a lighter. Self-igniting, 4-burner.
Yeah, that's big.
All of our shelving, guys, it's not just like a 4-inch deep door.
Huge cabinets.
Huge cabinets.
There's your control panel.
Solar.
Yep. ACs. We have triple ACs on every single unit, standard from the factory. They're the new NDQ series, so you can operate all 3 ACs on 50 amp power, 2 ACs on 30 amp power.
And not ducted.
Non-ducted. So all the CFMs, all the airflow goes right into the coach. You got a dedicated garage AC, dedicated living room AC, dedicated bedroom and bathroom AC.
And no carpet.
100%
No carpet.
free.
I'm all about no carpet.
Flip up countertops.
For your extra counter space.
Nice LED accent lighting here. Up above. Plenty of storage.
I do love that. I wish I had that in mine.
MCD pull down shades. Check out these recliners.
And they have the extra little piece on the bottom. For those tall people that need the extra little bit. And they all 3 recline.
All 3 recline. Nice sealed garage door. Check out this half bath. Most half baths you can't even sit in. Got plenty of room in here. Not with the Valor. Epoxy pour countertops. Come outside, we'll show you a couple of the other features. I know I talked about our air compressor on board. Our G-rated, we have the heaviest duty G-rated tires. We call them our Super Gs, rated at 4,400 pounds apiece. 7,000 pound Dexter axles. We upgraded the leaf springs to 8,000 pounds. I mean, if you think about it as you're traveling down the road, if you're standing here like this, it's fine. But when you're traveling down the road, you're bopping up and down. So upgrading those leaf springs is a big deal to us at Alliance RV. Nice pass-through storage, 40 amp charge controller standard. And then you've also got that additional front storage. Gives you an additional 35%.
I like the extra storage right there because ours we don't have the extra piece. We have the generator, but then we don't have this extra piece on ours. So both of
Yeah,
those.
and I did mention the lithium-ion battery standard on every single unit. Six-point auto leveling standard. Another thing that we do at Alliance RV, access panels. So whenever you need to get behind here, it's easily accessible. 42,000 BTU furnace, 12.6 gas electric water heater, generator standard on board. Check this out, Jimmy. It's one sewer connect. So a lot of toy haulers, you'll have 2 connection points.
Right.
Every single floor plan that we have on the Valor product line, 1 port on the exterior. Dual 30-gallon fuel tanks. So 30-gallon designated for your Jenny, 30-gallon for your toys.
And something that's not a big deal, but it is I don't know why anybody has the straight cord.
Yeah.
Because it's always, hanging. That's a big thing to me. It's the little things.
I had a feeling you'd come back and say
All right, guys, thanks for tuning in for this tour of the Alliance Valor toy hauler. And thanks, Jeremiah, for giving us a tour
Absolutely.
today.
Thank you
Appreciate
so
it.
much, Lisa. We appreciate you guys coming through.
don't we go back?